Hey everyone, I'm Keith at 2-Bit Breaks, and today we're going to be breaking 2 mega boxes of 2021-22 Premier League soccer trading cards from Prizm. I'm going to start, open this one. I'm going to open half the box. Owen's going to open the other half. Say hi, Owen.
Hi.
My little bit. All right, let's get to it. So in here, there's 5 packs. I'm sorry. 5 cards per pack with a total of 60 cards. Unwrap 2 silver Prizm inserts. 2 silver Prizms, 4 inserts per box on average. Look for autographs, as usual. Put this one over here. All right, so I'm going to open half. Owen's going to open half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Right. There we go. You're going to get all the good ones anyway, so
Yeah.
it's all good. Owen tends to hit all the good cards.
Who knows? Maybe you just threw away 3 autographs.
Could have.
Never know.
See, Max Emiliano Martinez. Be a little closer. Ben Rama. Jared Bowen on the pink ice. Nice. And then Jared Bowen on the hollow silver.
Wow, that's weird.
Very nice.
Two Jared Bowens.
2 Jared Bowens, back to back, literally. Isaac Hayden. Todd Cantwell. Mason Greenwood. Ken Sema on the pink crack ice from rookie Watford. Very nice. And Harry Kane on the silver. Put these over here. Pack number 3. Let's see. Hoping we get an auto in here. I haven't been too lucky with the 21-22 Premier League Prizm. Not a lot of people really have, but let's see. Ederson, Traore, Suchek. We got 2 pinks. Tyrone Mings and James Tarkowski. Again, these are not numbered, but still nice to have. I think I did. I gave you all the good ones.
Yeah.
I do want to get a hobby box of the new Prizms for this year. They're very nice. Maybe get a manga. Walcott, Jorginho. That's my boy. Joe got another 2 pink Prizms. Harvey Elliott. Liverpool. Rookie card. That's nice.
Yeah.
Rookie card, Harvey Elliott. 2 more.
Even better that they won the league.
But yeah, that's for sure. Daka. Clean. Todd Cantwell on the Brilliance. Nice. Haven't seen Norwich in a while in the Premier League, and probably not going to anytime soon. Again, look at this again.
Yeah, it's the second time we've had back-to-back.
Back-to-back.
Same players.
And then Joe Linton, who you used to think his name was Joe Linton.
Yep.
Yep. Samare, Calvert-Lewin, Chalaba, Pogba, and Awobi. Nice. All right, so you got the next 6. I'm going to at least sleeve these. Put the base over there. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, those 6 are yours. Go to town.
Townsend. Oh, jeez.
Okay, just keep going.
Fabio Silva.
On the emergent. Nice.
Emergent. And Danny Welbeck. And Casper Schmeichel.
Schmeichel.
Schmeichel. Max Kilman. Ollie Watkins. Scores Club, Chris Wood. Man, I remember when he was on Burnley.
Could put a Harvey Elliott up there. It's a nice one.
Jeez, these names are ridiculous.
A lot of these pink cracked ice prisms. That's for sure.
Yeah. Phil Foden. Brian Gill. Jeffrey Schlupp. Parad. And Perez. Parad and Perez.
Perfect.
Yep. Okay, last 3 for this box.
Let's see. You gotta, if there's an auto, it's gonna be pulled by you.
Yep. Raheem Sterling. Mark Cucurella.
Cuckoo Crazy Ray.
Yeah. Riedwald. Clinch. And
Castani.
Castane. Josh Brownhill. Brian Mbeumo. It's a nice Brian Mbeumo. It's his rookie card.
That's a nice one.
Tom Davis.
Davies.
Widescreen. Josh Sargent.
Hey, Josh.
And Allison.
Very nice.
Yeah. Let's put that Todd
Sure.
Cantwell up
Just
here.
for now. For now, until we get some better ones.
Yep. And last pack. Come on, last pack magic. Diego Jota. Heung-min Son. Meisler. David Raya. And rookie card. And Fabio Silva. So, no autos, but still a lot of pink cracked ice.
Yep. All right, do you want to...
Sure.
You got it? You going to start that one?
Yep.
I like this Chris Wood because it's a Burnley.
Yeah.
He's doing so much better on Nottingham Forest now.
Yeah.
Hopefully they make it into the Champions League this year. That'd be nice.
Yeah. Okay, let's see. That's 6. So leave that. And these are for me.
All right. Good
Let's
luck.
get into it. Second box, first pack. Tom Davies, Michael Anthony, Richarlison, and Kabak. Mason Holgate, Adam Armstrong, Luke Eiling, Billy Gilmore, it's a nice one, and Granit Xhaka.
Hey, I miss Jocko.
Yeah.
He was a guaranteed red card every game at least.
Yep. And now Skelly filled in for him.
He is filling in for him. Yes, that's correct.
Dwight McNeil. Well, it's good that we have Skelly because he's not afraid of anybody.
That is true.
Ooh, Thomas Socek, Scores Club.
Tangana.
Tangana, Rashford. It's nice Rashford. Wilfred Ndidi. Christian Norgard. Wilfred Zaha.
Another name we haven't heard in a while.
Yeah, Zaha. I miss Zaha. Ryan Ain't Nori. And Vasquez.
He ain't Nori.
See, Curtis Jones. Gabriel. Timo Werner. I swear, he's been on like every single team.
Yeah, he is.
Tino Livramento. Michael Elise.
I miss him. That's his rookie, too.
Rookie card. Very nice.
All right, last pack mojo.
Come on. Ben Godfrey. Doesn't look like there's going to be any autos from me. Janlet. Kai Havertz. Hoiberg. And Mason Mount. So, no autos, but still some very good cards.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right, why don't you just come over here, separate the rookies.
Yep.
And I'll finish up the last 6. All right, let's see. Let's hope for an auto here. I don't need one. Need some good luck today. Daka, Jensen. There we go. I'll take that. Cristiano Ronaldo.
Nice.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Ooh.
I was in a room the other day and I came in and on Whatnot and someone said 2 for 2-bit. 2
2-bit.
Nice. I thought it was pretty funny.
Yeah.
Where'd you put your base somewhere? Yeah, no, that ain't no Shelby.
Yeah.
Romero. Joshua King on the widescreen. Yuki Gundogan. And Romelu Lukaku. Another name I've heard in a while.
Yeah.
Alright. I think it's that one.
Really? Let's hope so.
We'll see.
Cristiano Ronaldo auto.
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Messi auto. Anybody auto. Bernardo Silva. Jack Clark. Curtis Jones on the emergent. Nice. Ben Godfrey on the pink. And Tyler Roberts. This is my guess. Guess is this one, but never know. Don't think so. Ruben Neves. John Ulis. Demetrios. That's almost like your old coach.
Yeah.
Demetrios. Johnny. Yao Pedro on the rookie. Nathan Collins on the rookie. And Stuart Dallas. Lots of rookies. Oops. I was wrong on the auto.
It's okay. Never know. It could be in one that you didn't expect.
KDB. John McGinn. Obona. Odegaard.
Very nice.
And Dennis. All right, last pack mojo. Come on. Need an auto. Don't think so. Goodmanson. Solly March. I love that name.
Yeah.
Oh, there he goes in a different card. Instant Impact. Perez. Lester. Harvey Barnes.
Harvey Barnes.
And Lochevich. All right. Well, no auto, but lots of pink, lots of rookies. So it's not bad. These weren't crazy expensive boxes. So we weren't expecting a whole lot of hits. But again, these are all the rookies. A couple good ones. Elise, Gilhart, Raya, Parad. Lots of good ones. And then definitely a lot of nice pinks. Oh, and I got the Harvey Elliott rookie up there too. Mason Mount, Nori, Gilmore, Rashford, Richarlison, Bowen. Yeah, definitely there are lots of good hits in here. Pogba, Allison, Sargent, Michael, and Welbeck. Nice. And on the silvers, Xhaka, Kabak, Bowen, and Kane. And we got a couple of the other inserts. Thomas Suchek on the Scores Club. Davies on the widescreen. Wood on the Scores card. And Fabio Silva on the Emergent. I think there's a couple others, but yeah, we got the Cristiano Ronaldo in here too. But not too bad. Not too bad of a pick. And then we can take these cards and break them down into your teams and sell them, right?
Yeah.
All right. Well, that's all I have for today. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe. And if you click that bell notification, you'll get notified when we put out a new video. We do put out a video every Tuesday at 8 a.m. Eastern Time. So take a look. Thanks for stopping by.
Bye.